Alright, okay, so a friend of mine asked me to sing because we were playing Truth or Dare, and so she decided to screw me over, and now I have to sing a song. Well, I guess I shall do that then, and the reason I'm not on screen is because it's 11:44 in the morning and I look like trash, so let's get done with this. Okay. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Did they send me daughters when I asked for sons? You're the saddest bunch I ever met, but you can bet before we're through, Mr. I'll make a man out of you. Tranquil as a forest, but on fire within. Once you find your center, you are sure to win. You're a spineless, pale, pathetic lot, and you haven't got a clue. Somehow I'll make a man out of you. I can't do high notes. Be a man, you must be swift as the coursing river. Be a man with all the force of a great typhoon. Be a man with all the strength of a raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of the moon. Time is racing toward us till the Hun arrive. Heed my every order, and you might survive. You're unsuited for the rage of war, so pack up, go home, you're through. How could I make a man out of you? Be a man, we must be swift as the coursing river, with all the force of a great typhoon, with all the strength of a raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of the moon. We must be swift as the coursing river, with all the force of a great typhoon, with all the strength of a raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of the moon. Yeah! Okay, so that was bad, and I messed up a lot, but I still did it. So, I took the dare, and I did it. And my voice sounds stupid now, and I'm going to do my best to try to turn the thing off without